Very good morning. Myself, Dr. Dhananjay Verma from Verma's Homeopathic Clinic, Airoli, Chinchpada, Navi Mumbai. I am practicing as a general practitioner in Chinchpada from last 20 to 22 years. And over the period of time, I have seen thousands of cases. Today, I would bring light upon some interesting cases what I have treated in last 15 to 20 years is of renal stone. I have treated thousands of successful cases with homeopathy from 2 mm to 22 mm of renal stones. I have one patient named Kajal. She is residing in Chinchpada only, and she was having 20 to 22 stone in both the kidneys. It was very challenging case for me. I have taken 8 months to treat this case, and by the grace of God, I have treated it successfully, and she is now pursuing her higher studies she is doing now MSc. So I thought today I should share my formula so that many people in our community, in our country would benefit from this formula. For treating renal stone, I have created my own formula with my whole 22 years of clinical experience. First medicine I would suggest it's Berberis vulgaris mother tincture. Take 10 to 15 drops in lukewarm warm water morning and evening for 4 to 5 months. Second medicine is Lycopodium. I am using Lycopodium in 200 potency. 4 drops morning and 4 drops evening directly on tongue. Again, third medicine is Peribravia. I am using Peribravia in 200 potency. 2 drop morning, 2 drop evening. And I use Maxsulf as an intermittent medicine, 1 m once a week for next 4 to 5 months. Use this formula for 4 to 5 months. You will get miracle result, and within 1 month you will see that your stone is dissolving, had been dissolved, and there is no stone left behind. And after taking this formula, within 1 week there will be no pain. You will be feeling comfortable. Patients think that now I am free from stone. But don't make mistake. Take medicine for 4 to 5 months. And I will suggest some diet which has not to be taken and what to be taken during the treatment of renal stone. First, you should take 4 to 5 liters of water. Take plenty of coconut water, plenty of fresh lime juice, and use kulthi dal soup. And you should avoid cauliflower, spinach, milk and milk products like paneer, etc., curd. You avoid peanuts, avoid tomatoes, avoid beans, avoid pumpkin and jackfruit. And you can take these medicines for next 4 to 5 months. Though you have been relieved within 15 to 20 days, but complete your course. Hope you like my videos. Please, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Press bell icons. Thank you.